So there it is. I got one more coat of varnish to put on this one piece here, but that's pretty much it. I did them seats black, but I might paint them back to green. I don't know if I like that or not. Hopefully you can see that. I can hardly see it in my phone. So I built the whole undercarriage from scratch. The other one was too far gone. I didn't even bother with it. And then if you go back a couple of videos, you'll see what it used to look like. It was blue and red. But anyway, that's it. It's kind of a fun build. It was probably was about $300, I think, with all the stuff. But anyway, yeah. So once I got to get my harnesses into the shop, put some buckles on them. I'm switching some stuff over on them, and then get them fitted, and we'll try it out. Well, you guys have a good day.